Welcome to this module where we will see the special dashboard that Shogini offers to each of their AI chatbot clients. Here is our shogini.com website, and on the top you will find AI client login link. By clicking the link, you will reach the AI chatbot login page. Each client will get their login using which they can log in, and here is the main welcome page. This is our demo clinic. We call it ABC Dental Clinic. So on the top you will find the client's name. Clicking the account, you can alter the details including the password and provide the company address, etc. Let's now click the knowledge base link. On the left side, you will see the knowledge base link. That will take you to the page where you can update your company's, your business knowledge base. The chatbot behavior depends on what you provide in this knowledge base. So here is the very easy to update interface that we provide, and clicking this button, you can update the knowledge base. Now, this is the link which will contain the knowledge base, which is provided to the chatbot backend. And here you will notice that at the bottom of the knowledge base, we have added some extra URLs. These are the additional website pages which are useful for your clients. So all your services, product details, all those web pages which you already have, you can just provide the URL here. The knowledge base will fetch the URL page content and include it in the knowledge base. So that way, you have a single place where you can update and manage all your knowledge access to your chatbot users. And clicking the view button here on the right side will open a web page tab where you can see the entire knowledge base, including the additional URLs that you have provided. Okay, so that is the knowledge base link in the Shogini AI chatbot client dashboard. Now let's look at the chatbot code. Now, every chatbot comes with a code that you need to embed within your web page. And this code we will provide each of our clients. So in case if you want to embed this code on any other web page, you can copy from here and embed it so that visitors to that page will also have access to the chatbot. So here is the chatbot icon based on the code that you see on the top, and clicking that will open the chat interface. Now, the working of this chat interface, we have already created a video. Please watch that video to know how the chat interface works for the simple chatbot and the advanced chatbot. So here is an example of a visitor asking a question: do you have parking available? And the answer comes from the knowledge base. How about discounts? Again, the answer comes from the knowledge base. Now, if you ask any question which is not present in the knowledge base, it will say apologies, unable to find the answer. And booking appointment button explanation is given in the advanced chatbot video, previous video. Now here is the knowledge base section which was used to answer the questions about the parking and about the discounts. So now let's look at the failed and replied link on the left side of the Shogini AI chatbot client dashboard, which when clicked will show all the interactions your chatbot had with the visitors, and it will also show the questions which are replied and the questions which are not replied or failed. So like, do you have parking was replied. How about discount was replied. How about how to remove my teeth on my own? That question failed. So this is a very powerful interface where you can update the knowledge base based on the failed questions if you wanted your chatbot to handle those questions. So this way, over a period of time, by continuously monitoring these failed questions, you can update your knowledge. So in the previous video, demo video, we see how you can click. If you click to view the conversation, you will see how it was replied, the questions and the reply. On the top, you'll see most recent 5 interactions your chatbot had with visitors, and see how many questions it could answer and how many questions it could not answer. So this will give you a quick overview of the status, and you can improve your chatbot over a period of time by updating the knowledge base. So next is bookings and tokens. See, for the advanced chatbot video, we saw how bookings work and clicking the link on the left side of booking and tokens, you will see the customer details and the time slot for which the booking was made and the token that was given to the customer. You have the refresh button, using which you can refresh the interface to the latest log. And at the bottom of each of those pages, you have the pagination, using which you can navigate to any specific entry in the log. And here is the logout button. Perfect. See you in the next video.